Welcome to MarineMax Kent Island. My name is Perry. Today we are going to go through this 2025 Scout Boats 357 LXF. All right, so here's starting in the cockpit towards the motors. These are the incredibly powerful and all-new Mercury V10 400s. You can see they have a silver accent stripe on the back there. This boat does have joystick piloting for outboards, so once we get up towards the helm, we'll talk more about that. But 357 Scout here, you'll see full walkable transom coming in, starboard side entry into this door, easily accessed. You have an outboard flushing system located here, port and starboard fish boxes, stern seat, and a very nice new live well setup on this 357. Over on the port side, you have a dive door, entry door. This aft seat will lift up, and of course we have the ever popular Seakeeper 3 on this boat. This backrest does fold down, so you have some entertaining space. Then what I love on the 357, so not only the rocket launchers up there, but you see this portion of the hardtop, so that'll come out to about right here and provide you some sun coverage. So let's walk up to the helm here.
It's a great helm. Obviously 3 abreast seating. Got the great Grigio cushion package out here. Triple Garmin screens. You got 2 12s on the outside with a 16 in the center for main navigation or wherever, how else you want to do it. Got Mercury vessel view here for our engine, so we don't need to use a Garmin on that. Right now we've got the port one set up with digital switching, which is great for Scout, and on the starboard side you can see our video feed, and that's coming from underneath the bow. So if you're coming up trying to anchor or going up on a low dock, you can definitely see where you are. It's great. It's got skyhook, of course, for the Mercuries, and air conditioning vents at the helm. Storage box here, and inside that storage box we've got an HDMI plug, and of course USB ports for charging. Great place to put your phone. Great helm, VHF radio up top. Some important bilge pump switches there, so you don't have to go to the digital for that. And all in all, it's a wonderful setup.
Tom, how's that visibility at the helm there?
Oh, it's clear, unlimited. I got no blind spots whatsoever.
All right, thank you, Tom. All right, let's walk up and check out the bow. Powder-coated handrails, very nice bolstering system on the boat. Spot for shoes, phones, what have you. Garmin remote on this side. So what's new about the 357 is these seats. So this seat here and that seat over there. So now they have front-leaning backrests that are molded in. Makes you feel a little bit more comfortable up in the bow, and great for your at least 2 passengers, running comfortably at speed. Let's take a look at the bow lounger here. Nothing new from Scout on this one. Family favorite of the women that come sit up here in the bow. 2 armrests, place for drinks, place for some valuables when you're running. Storage spot up here as well. Cup holders, lights, storage underneath, just like you saw in the pictures. And then this table comes up midway and then full height. And there is a filler cushion that goes on top of that as well. Further up in the bow, anchor windlass system, as well as a freshwater washdown right there. And then for electronics, of course, Garmin open array radar, and then you have your FLIR forward-looking infrared for traveling safely at night. Let's take a look down below. All right, so down in the cabin, obviously your breaker panel located directly by the door, so easy to get in and access all of your breaker buttons, on-off switches, as well as your keys. Accent lights, salon lights, large space if you needed to go down. There's a filler cushion that goes right here, as well as a table. You do have a TV, and what I love is, so these port and starboard windows do open and give you cross ventilation. Got a refrigerator here, freshwater sink, storage for toiletries up top, as well as heat and AC, and of course a head. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of our 2025 Scout Boats 357 LXF. Give us a call to see it in person, 410-732-1260.